Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can find our task device manager right here. Device manager. So for instance, say you can plug in the mouse or the keyboard not working. You want to figure exactly how to go to the device manager. You're going to come all the way down here to the search bar. You're going to click. Notice when I click, you might see it show up here, but if you don't see it show up, you're going to have to type it. All right, you notice? As I type DE right here, you notice it's a device manager. You're going to click on that. Now when you click on it, what will happen? Notice this is show up. You can come right here, minimize it. You can come right here, expand it. You can come right here and close it. So I'm going to expand it. If you notice right over here, so this have to do with the audio right here, this have to do with the battery, Bluetooth, so everything that actually on the computer, definitely. Come right down here. So for instance, if it is port gear problem, you click right here. You notice you can actually right click on it. You can either update it, disable it, uninstall. If you click on properties, right, you're going to take it to right here. You notice right here, general, right? And if you click on port setting right here, this is what happened. Click on drivers, this is what come up right here. Click on details, so what come up, and I click on events. So that's exactly what come up definitely on the device driver. So this is how we actually find the device manager on your computer. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.